His Excellency the President, and appreciate him for joining us here.
And thank the chairman of the Tembo Industries who was just conducted us around for the magnificent work he has done in Uganda here. I asked him, how did you know about Uganda? He said he came around and did some spying and found that Uganda was the best. And that's why he decided to invest here. And as you can see, he's a young man. He's not very old. So I'm very, very happy with him. I didn't know him much. I had been here before, but I have now come to know more. There is very good iron ore in Uganda. It is the best in the world, in the Kabale area and in the Togota area. It's among the purest in the world, 70% pure. But up to now, we have been importing high product, steel products from China, from India, from Russia. Yes, we have got factories of steel, but these factories are recycling scrap. Scrap is old cars, old the tanks of Idi Amin. Those produce Emita steel bars and other products, but they are not of the quality. They can be used in buildings, but not dams, not the railway, which we are building, not the very high-rise buildings. And if you look on the figures, I haven't checked recently, but I think quite a bit of money. I was not aware that he was not getting all the necessary support, especially allowing similar or inferior products from outside coming here tax-free. This is what we call in the Catholic Church, sacurego. Sacurego is a sacrilege. Sacrilege. It should not happen. And we're going to stop it in the next budget. As far as Uganda is concerned, all the products which our people, not only Tembo, but anybody who is making these products here in Uganda, we shall not allow them to come in without facing a high tax, not only a tax, but a high one.